You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buenos dias. Let's look at how to pronounce this name correctly in Spanish, or at least how it is said in Spanish and how it's usually pronounced in English as well in America. It's the name of a place in New Mexico. The Spanish pronunciation is as Santa Fe, with a short E sound, Santa Fe. It's the name of a saint, of course, and it's a Hyundai SUV, Santa Fe. Now in English, it's pronounced as Santa Fe, New Mexico. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.